All right, we'll start with a look from our friends over at the Luther Family Ford location. There's I-29 traffic moving along smoothly. We have clear skies and temperatures that are bottoming out now as we head into our evening hours. Here's a look at those readings out at Hector. It is 4 below zero, 21 below is what it feels like with that northeast wind. And it will only continue to get colder heading into the overnight. Here's the core of that cold air just pushing into northeast North Dakota. It's 11 below in Langdon, 11 below in Cavalier, and 12 below in Grand Forks. And it's no picnic either in northwest Minnesota, as many of you are approaching the teens below. That sub-zero air has spilled into the Fargo-Moorhead area and into Fergus Falls. As we have milder temperatures off to the west, but you too are starting to cool down as well. Factor in those winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. We have wind chills between 20 and 30 below. And as temperatures continue to drop with those north winds, we'll have wind chills that'll be greater than 30 below here as we go through the overnight hours. Right now, Thief River Falls, 25 below, Hallock, 19 below on exposed skin. So bundle up. Here's the leading edge of that cold air pushing down to the south and to the west, and it's causing a little bank of clouds out to the west that seems to be dissipating a bit. But out there to the west is where we have the milder conditions, and that cold air spilling in is causing some problems in Otter Tail County, western Otter Tail County, on the Otter Tail River to the northeast of Fergus Falls. Flooding's reported, likely from some ice damming taking place there. Thanks, Steve, for capturing these photos. You can see the water getting ever so close to some neighborhoods and some communities out there to the northeast of the Fergus Falls area. Here's another photo of what homeowners are doing to protect their homes from rising waters in mid-December. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Here is your cold core of air, and whoop, it slips right down the Red River Valley. By 10 o'clock, will many of us being in the teens to 20 below. Then as we go towards the early overnight hours, temperatures continue to fall to the east, but out to the west we'll have clouds building, and that cold front that was slapping us today with Arctic air will come back at us as a warm front. That warmer air out to the west is heading back and returning. So many of us will experience our coldest temperatures in the depth of the overnight with nasty wind chills, but by morning temperatures will be rising, and on your way to work you'll read temperatures in the single digits, both above and below zero for most locations. We'll also have clouds. We will also have south winds that will make it very wind chilly in the morning, and we will have a few areas with some light snow showers, totaling less than a couple of tenths of an inch, but it certainly could make for slippery conditions. Now, even though the skies will be sunny and we will have temperatures rising out to the west, the south winds will make it feel wind chilly through the better half of our day. So keep that in mind, but the warmer air is punching in. Teens as we go through the afternoon from the Red River and points east, a few 20s out to the west, and that is the beginning of a rebound in our temperatures. So first thing in the morning, we will be warming from the single digits below zero to the teens above zero with increasing sunshine after a morning flurry is not out of the question. So again, slippery roads in and around the FM area and beyond. Winds from the south at around 10 to 20 miles per hour. The warmest weather will be where you see the blue colors on Hutch's color contours here. Near 30 in Jamestown, Medina, and Cleveland. You may just get there. So we take a look off to the east. We'll have temperatures in the lower to mid-teens across much of northwest Minnesota and Lakes Country. Have you heard the word? All right, well, this bison here enjoying some sunnier weather than we have. Thanks, Rick, for uploading your photo to valleynewslive.com. Here's a look at your planning forecast. How about 20s for Thursday and sunshine, sunny, and 20s for Friday as well. And then for the big game itself, we're going to warm into the 30s, some mid-30s not out of the question for some of us as we cap off the weekend with near 30-degree weather as well. By the way, Saturday, the winter solstice. We get more daylight each day after that as we head towards spring.
30 degrees just for Mike.
Well, for everybody,
Yes,
not just for me.
for everybody.
I'm willing to share.
You are? Good.
Yes.